All right, YouTube Mafia, it's been almost 1 year since I fixed the AC on my Tacoma and it's no longer working. So let's see what's going on. All right, so about a year ago, I bought a can of this stuff right here. AC Pro UltraSynthetic Air Conditioning Recharge. Says it's the #1 selling recharge kit. And it's fast and easy, 10-minute job. Well, I don't want to mislead anybody. I don't want to lie to you folks. It lasted about 8 months. So I don't know what happened. Does my car leak air conditioning stuff? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's try to test to see how much I have left. So there is a gauge on top, and there's actually still some in here. Actually, you need to shake it up. So I'm gonna check the level and add more and see how long it lasts. Let's go. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. So we got to shake it up. Last time I shaked it for 15 seconds. I'll shake it for a little bit more this time. I can feel like all the stuff kind of settled down to the bottom. So now I feel it's kind of spread out. So we should be good with that. Next thing we got to do is turn the car on and turn the AC on. Turn it on full blast. The way to test to see if you have any more R134A, which is the coolant that's in the cooling system, is by turning on the AC full blast. Works is pull the trigger for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you tilt it back and forth. So we're on empty right now. Woo! I held it for too long. I put too much in there. It's all right. We'll be fine. Now it says it's empty again. So I don't think I was engaged. Let's try it again. Still says low. Looks like it went up a little bit. Went up a little bit more. And you see it went up more. All right, now we're at 20. I can feel the can's pretty cold. So it's actually not filled yet. All right, now last time I did this, once I hit the green, I stopped, but this time I'm gonna go a little further. So I'm a little above 30. Let's go a little bit higher. Still barely above 30. Let's see if we can get it closer to 40. Nope, still not all the way to 40 yet. Let's keep going. All right, it doesn't look like it's going up any higher. So we're gonna go ahead and stop there. And now we're just gonna disconnect the hose and pull up on this. That's it. You can see that R34 in there. All right, let's see if it's cold. Oh yeah, ice cold, baby. Woo! Let's roll up the windows so we can get the full appreciation. What is the situation? So it lasted about, it's been 11 months, but my AC stopped working about 3 months ago, I would say, maybe 2 months ago. It really stopped shooting out cold air any longer. And so it's summertime and it didn't really matter until about a month ago. So I just basically ignored it, but yeah, it's coming out nice and cold now, baby. Yep. I would say this product lasted about 8 months, but now I can feel the can's kind of empty. I would say the product lasted about 8 months, but I'm not sure what condition my AC was in. I'm not sure how empty it was the first time. When I filled it up the first time I used this product, I filled it up to the green, but barely. As soon as it hit green, I stopped because I didn't want to overfill it. This time I tried to go over farther and it stopped filling like at about 35. Yeah, it stopped filling at 35 PSI. And so I didn't want to go any further than that. So I think I'm good. I'll let you know how long this will last. Peace out. Good luck. I think it's worth it. It was about 60 bucks. If you use the entire can, you can take it back and you can get a core charge. It was $10. Right now, Riley has a deal. I think there's a $15 rebate as well. So it'll save you 25 bucks. There you go. If you have 2 cars, you can use this on 2 cars. It's a pretty big can. I had a lot left over the first time. This time I used almost all of it. There's still a little bit left though, so I'm gonna save it for this car or for any other car I have. All right, thanks for watching. Peace. I hope this video helped you out. Please like and subscribe and share if you can think it'll help someone else out too. All right, peace.